Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make a Roblox Gamepass. So first of all, open my Google search option, search it to Roblox, click on this link and then log in my Roblox account. Click on to continue in browser. Look at the top corner, click on to 3 dot. First need to enable desktop side. Click on to create option. Look at to left side, click on to 3 line and then click on to creation and then click on to 3 line again. Scroll down and then showing here to passes option. Click on to create a pass. Type here to name. You can easily change profile if you want to add description. And then finally click on to create pass. Okay, now done. Now successfully make a Roblox Gamepass. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more video.